This is Vybz Kartel, and on behalf of the promoters and myself, I'd like to apologize to the people of Costa Rica.
I want to live to see my words come true. Question: where is Macka now after she carry for her career go dash her over TikTok?
Mad pan is blood clot next year, you know. Only don't want to see the next side of me, you know. Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, I wanna live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck up.
Alright family, welcome back to the Jam TV channel. You know, bringing your daily reggae and dancehall updates. So in today's episode, we have Macka herself versus Tulox. So recently Tulox made a video, made some comments about Macka career, and trust me, she never take it light. She launched an all-out war against Tulox. We have some videos to go over about that and see exactly what transpired here. So in addition, we have Vybz Kartel show over there in Costa Rica got cancelled. We have some videos to look into that as well to see exactly what happened there. So we have Mavado as well vibing to his new song with Wendy Shea, Apology, which is out now on all DSPs, and we have some few more clips to go over, so stay tuned with us. So we're gonna kick it off now with Vybz Kartel.
This is Vybz Kartel, and on behalf of the promoters and myself, I'd like to apologize to the people of Costa Rica for not being able to be at the show tonight. Now, we know it was a very well anticipated event, but it was something that the promoter and I tried assiduously to solve, but to no avail. But we are working closely in seeing how we can best resolve the problem. But until then, Costa Rica, look out for Vybz Kartel in the future. That is the greatest.
Alright, Jam TV. So that was Vybz Kartel himself there explaining to the Costa Ricans about the cancellation of the show. So he apologized sincerely about, you know, not being able to perform for the fans there in Costa Rica. As you know, that Vybz Kartel was there on the ground, but to circumstances beyond his control, he was not able to perform. So he had to leave the country and look forward to perform at a future date in Costa Rica for the fans. So he's moving on to his next show now in Jersey that he's preparing for. So the DJ has arrived back in Miami and preparing for that show there in Jersey coming up. Alright, so in next clip here we have Macka versus Tulox. So earlier I mentioned that Tulox made a video about Macka commenting on her career, stating that her career is over. So Macka found that offensive. Basically, Tulox said the collab what she did with the TikToker ended her career, but Macka saw it differently and made a response. So we have the video here, you can check out. So we're gonna check out Tulox video we make with Macka, and then we're gonna check out the response from Macka afterwards. Check it out.
I want to live to see my words come true. Question: where is Macka now after she carry for her career go dash her over TikTok? I sing song with Derek and some with a batty boy or something, thinking say all you have to do I get people talking. Are they still talking? How no for dash way? Forever for 1 or 2 days. Because real music lasts forever when you do it good. And Macka do some bumbleclad song boy ya. Take man pan him and run him and the whole of them song them money yo. Them they gonna live forever. But when you go over TikTok and come off desperate, you mash up all of that. So all of the blood clot seed when you plant from before, you dig them up and dash them when you go over TikTok. You go do song with Derek and come out come different batty boy and never know say it all earthy, because guess what? When you started to see the world as liberal, people get wise now, it's 2025. How you feel now, Macka? The people them done with you and still continue with Derek, and that are the worst bumbleclad part. TikTok doesn't add to your career. It diminish whatever relevance you did about in the real world, because TikTok are for regular people. I mean, now tell us that TikTok not have its perks, because enough of the youth them can actually DJ. 1 and 2 of them a jump out. But based on the facts that TikTok are fucker for the most part, especially in Jamaica. Even if you jump out and you're sensible with a bad song today, by next week, nobody don't know you. TikTok short-lived, because guess what? All it takes for your song done and nobody remember it is a scroll. Just notice when Sting lose its reputation. Queenie, Amari, people take them for joke. Because the people know within themselves Say TikTok I just want to look off the place. So when you go over there as a real star and mash it and mash it up, it not help you. It doesn't require talent because all you have to do is open your mouth, get angry, and tell somebody say they're no better than you and them broke and them suck good and them lick out body and all kind of fuckery over TikTok. You don't understand?
Alright, people, so that was Tulox there sharing his views on Macka Diamond's career, stating that her career was over after making that step over to TikTok. So Macka Diamond took that offensively and made a response and launched an all-out war against Tulox. So if you have kids nearby, just ask them for excuse if you have a minute, please, because trust me, that one here have a lot in it. Check it out, people.
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, when I live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out the battle. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, you have ton blogger. Come suck out the battle. You gonna away more than me? Hey, dirty boy. Me don't need none of you no. For come tell me about my career, cause I not fuck nobody if you have no career. Hey, dirty stinking twins of twins, boy. Come suck out the battle. I want you know. Hey, dirty boy. Where me there? See me here. See me a drunk, come near me out. You stink like you feel a dog shit. You have no career. You have no blood clot career, dirty boy. Twins of twins, boy. You don't have no career. You don't have a song like me having a music. You bright no blood clot. But me do song with Batman. You fuck Batman. Do allow a batty blood clot, man. That's why now worry about me and do song with Batman. Una blood clot deal. I what do you know? Una stink like. Look what Batman not got the show for. Look what Batman go the money. Look what Batman not gonna do plate. And what do you dirty boy? Look what Batman the music. Hey boy, don't fuck your blood clot self for me now. Go suck your mother. But blood clot career. My business about career. My business about the dirty stinking people. Where I wonder about me. Don't wonder about me. Cause me not a career, me I'm a pussy. When me can't give man for fuck out and get money. Hey boy, go suck your mother. Again, and suck her 20 million times. Boy! No moving the blood, now look hype. Everything gonna come texted for me and my blood clot career. Me busy about career. Hey, dirty boy. When you're singing that music, what kind of hit song you have? Tell the people what kind of hit song you have. You not have no career. Cause suck your mother, look what Batman on the work for. On the work for how much company that music and you can't boss. And enough I company them that music have Batman night. Well, on come suck me out. Me no walk and trouble people, I wanna walk and trouble me. Me not trouble people. Me no know what make my career for bother uno. I'm not come on the yard and I beg on nothing. Me not beg nobody for nothing. You know, go on and allow me the whole of uno. Allow me to blood clot. Me not a career I want done it. Make me blood clot done it because none of never started for me. I misstarted my blood clot self. Uno don't want me get mad. They put up the first time you fuck around me, you know. It's the first time you trouble me about this thing, yeah. And I call up my name Dirty. Twins are twin locks boy, dirty locks boy, smell bad locks boy. I just will put up my brain and you come blood clot enter. You come enter, so you get fuck. You see that sign I put up, you see me ignore you. Somebody in the blood still a twins have twins, bounty killer poop, bounty killer foot bottom, bounty killer walk upon, bounty killer poop on him poop on you. You still not reach nowhere. All bounty killer help you. You one of them will come like balloon, not even iron blood clot balloon. Yeah, you stink like you can't come tell me about career. Go do your research and come back, my youth. Go do your research. I bet you if something good me that I do. We don't want to talk about it. When you can't come out come say, oh, Macka Diamond with a good career. Remember these artists have their good songs and songs still going strong. When you can't blood clot say that one always have come with negativity. Yeah, so you want your blood clot platform grow. Or your TikTok you look for grow. Because me a TikToker now you're a blogger. So make a two-way war now. Two artists with 1 ton blogger and 1 ton TikToker. A war now. Come at me a war. Because it's hard for me and you're jealous over Derek. Come for me, dirty locks boy. Come for me. Read up about Capricorn. I want to try to read up about Capricorn. You hear me I tell you? Because I don't want to be in a one Capricorn head and make a Capricorn get destructive. I don't want a Capricorn get destructive. And that me I try telling you, you understand? Because it's not nice, you know? You see, I put up that blood clean sign that do not enter. I put up and I say, don't enter in my brain. No for don't enter in my brain because I don't want to see the next side of me. You understand what I'm saying? I don't want to see the next side of me. I want to go read up about Macka Diamond. I don't need no more career. I don't need no more hit song. I don't need nothing. More than people just book me. I'm going to sing and come back. I'll if one somebody in the blood clot.
Alright, people, so there obviously that was Macka Diamond's response there to Tulox. It was a scotchy response to say the least. Yeah man, so she just make him know so she have a lot of hit songs under her belt already and she don't really need to kill up herself to get no more hit songs like an up and coming dancehall artist. She can continue to thrive off the hit songs she already made and she's cemented in dancehall as a staple, as a legend. Yeah man. So in my opinion, Macka Diamond has contributed a lot to the music. She have a ton of hit songs under her belt. She voiced on some nice rhythms I must continue to listen to out this year, like the Thriller rhythm, Bad Girl rhythm, just to name a few. So she's already a legend in the business. So basically, yeah man, I gotta take offense to the comment there what Tulox make. Alright people, so in next clip so we have Mavado vibing to his new song with Wendy Shea. Check it out. Yeah, people, so that was Mavado outside vibing to his new song with Wendy Shea. Apology, it's currently out now. Can see that Mavado outside with the Gully Side crew. If you look closely, you see DJ Frost, long time Gully Side producer. Love to see the unity, rate that. You see me? So if you make it through to the end of the video, people, me just beg you a like, a share, and a subscribe on the content. You see me? Can make a comment down there in the comment section as well. We are looking to grow the channel to at least 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. So we are continuing to put out content. So just stay tuned.